below that, we've got an eye icon right here. If you select this, all that would do is it would hide your drawing icons. If I click it, it hides all my drawing icons. If I click it again, it'll show all my drawing icons. And if you select the chevron, you can hide just the drawings. You can hide indicators. You can also hide positions and orders, and you can hide all. As default, you'll be just hiding your drawing tools. So if I select it, it just hides my drawing tools. Whereas if I wanted to hide indicators, I would be able to do that by just clicking the hide indicators tab. Volume bars are considered to be an indicator. So if I select this, the volume bars should disappear. So once I select this, as you can see, the indicators have been hidden, and I can just select this eye icon again to reveal my indicators. Or I can just hide all so that I can have a clear candlestick chart on the screen. To reveal everything, all I have to do is simply select the eye tool.